Hello, and welcome to the Geophysics in the Cloud competition hackathon. My name is Kyle Jones. I'm a Principal Solutions Architect at AWS, and I'm one of the organizers helping to support this event. I wanted to take a few moments today to show you how to access the resources that we have for you in AWS. So everyone now has an account with AWS. With limited privileges to be able to see the data that we've uploaded and also to run Amazon SageMaker, which is our machine learning suite. So I'll step through how you just get into an account. All of us will be using this account number, and I will put that in the Slack so you'll be able to easily access it. Your username is your email address that you use to initially the email address you use when you initially logged in. It is case sensitive. So when you registered for this event, if you use capital letters in your username, then you will have capital letters in your username now. The initial password for everyone is password 1. When you log in with password 1, it will immediately ask you to change your password. I've already updated my password. So let's go in. We are now looking at the AWS console. From here, you can see a lot of different AWS resources. You do not have access to pretty much any of these. The two that you have access to are called S3 and Amazon SageMaker. Let's begin by looking at S3. S3 is our simple storage service. It is an object storage that has lots of data in it. It can hold all kinds of data. So here's our Poseidon data set. You can see all the data here. This is what you will be accessing in order to run your workloads either on the cloud or on your local machine. You have access to read this data, but not to write back to the database. So you'll be able to see it, and you can use it, but you won't be able to write back. Okay, these are decently large data sets, 101 gigabytes. Nice segue file for you. The other thing you have access to is called Amazon SageMaker. SageMaker. SageMaker is a hosted Jupyter notebook environment. It does other things, but for our use case here, we're going to be looking at it for hosting notebooks. This is the homepage for SageMaker. If we come over here on the left navigation bar, you see Notebook. I'll click on that and then click on Notebook Instances. And now I see two different instances. The first one is called ML4Geo, and the second one is ML Team Scratch Area. Every team can create a folder in the ML Scratch area for your team. So I will go ahead and start that. And while it spins up, let's take a moment to open up this other one. This ML4Geo is a shared folder of some examples of things that you can do. So I've already cloned in the repository that this Constantine did for his demo. So you can see that, some basic files here for working SageMaker. This runs just like a normal Jupyter environment. Okay, so you have access to that.